Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is development of tongue. Tongue has basically two parts, oral part and pharyngeal part. Oral part gives rise to anterior 2/3 and pharyngeal part gives rise to posterior 1/3 of tongue. So जो anterior oral part which gives rise to anterior 2/3 of the tongue, which is developed by the three mesodermal phalanx. The one is medial lung, which gives rise to the tuberculum impar, and the second is two distal lung buds. tongue buds ठीक है. The one is median tongue bud which gives rise to the tubercular impar, and the two are distal tongue bud which gives rise to the lateral phalanx of the tongue. So these three buds are developed by the mesenchyme of the first pair of pharyngeal arch. When distal tongue bud grows over the median tongue bud and fuse so in midline of the tongue, superficially a sulcus is formed which is known as median sulcus, and internally sulcus is known as lingual septum. Now we discuss about the pharyngeal part of the tongue which gives rise the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. So it is also developed by the two mesodermal phalanx. One is copula which is formed by the second pharyngeal arch, and the other is hypobranchial eminence which is formed by the third and fourth pharyngeal arches. So hypobranchial eminence grows over the copula and eliminate the contribution of second pharyngeal arch for the formation of the adult tongue. So the point on which anterior and posterior part of the tongue fuses, a V-shaped groove is formed which is known as terminal sulcus, and in 11 and 13 weeks taste buds of the tongue are formed by the interaction of the epithelial cells of tongue with the gustatory cells of nerve cells from the chorda tympani, glossopharyngeal and vagus nerves.